Okay, so it's been, I don't know, 10, 20 minutes at this 110, which is feeding in the 1.5 down there on the watt category, and we're at the 14.60 feed volts, which is still toggling up there at the top. However, when you look here at the actual readout to the batteries, so now we're back up above 6.5. We're at 6.53, okay? This one over here is climbing again. So anyway, everything's climbing again. So I feel like that's a good thing, because before things weren't climbing. So I just have to get comfortable with the fact that that 6.51 number can go all the way up to 3.660 and the system not shut off. So I'm comfortable to now be in the 3.653 range, and since the power supply is feeding 14.60, which is what the battery's rated at, I know I'm not in any danger of hurting it in that regard. It is interesting how this one is over voltaged, because technically, understand something, 3.653 volts is more than 1/4 of 14.60 feed volts. So that bank is rising in voltage proportionally higher. So it makes you wonder, is it because of the temperature of the cells in the battery? Okay, and it makes me wonder, like, let's say, even if you were to heat up the two sides of the battery, well, the middle is always going to be warmer yet, probably. You see what I'm saying? So like, let's say we heated up the left side and heated up the right side of the case, like took a blow dryer and heated up those two sides. That way the banks on each side have a better odds of, because look at this. It's the outside banks that are the low boys, okay? 3.361 and 3.438. And then the two interior ones are the two high ones. I think that has to do with heat, personally. But neither here nor there. We need to get it fixed. We need to get the battery balanced. I could be wrong about the heat conclusion. I could be completely wrong, but it's just I apply common sense where I can apply common sense. So with that said, anyway, you see what I'm saying? It's interesting that this one is actually above what 1/4 of the feed voltage is. Doesn't make logical sense, does it? Unless the electricity is choosing that one over the other two because of a different chemical makeup, which can be the case. You can have different chemical battery packs and, again, temperature. Okay, so regardless, but we're getting there. We're getting there. So we're just having to figure out what is the proper input. We got the 1460 is the given. Okay, I've realized there's no point in going less than that. You may as well just do the 1460 and call it a day on the feed voltage. So then it's the amps that you're trying to solve for. So right now we're at 0.110 amps, and that's holding it, right here. So I'm gonna kind of just let this go now and see we're at out of 5.3. So just kind of let this thing hover right there, and maybe I had it figured out at 115 before, because that's where I was. I was at 115, and maybe that's where I need to get back to. I don't know. We'll find out here, but just keeping you guys in the loop what's going on. All right, see ya.